Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Thunder Cam, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can take any but paid asset for free. So let's start. So first you need to go here and write unityassetcollection.com. Okay, click enter, then it will load, and you can also get the assets that are removed. Okay, so there is one asset called APR player. It was of $30 and it is removed now. It was a very good asset, so I will search APR player, then enter, then let's see. Okay, then you can see this one, APR player. You can also take all the purchased assets, all the models, and then if you are from the country India or Pakistan or some countries, it is not available. I mean available, but it does not allow, so you need to use the VPN, free VPN. So I will go here, VPN on. You can search VPN for PC, laptop, online, and it can also block the ad. So it is VPN. So I will do this, and it will take you to various links. Like I'll search original link, and it is, yeah, see. So I don't click here, come here, there's ad. You don't need to click the start also. 7 plus 4 11, and then submit, and wait, yeah, download now, then downloading asset, then it will not come like that. Yeah, then click I'm not a robot, then you need to wait 12 seconds. Let's wait 9 8. By the way, till that, like and subscribe to my channel and fast. Okay, then generate link. You can close this tab. Okay, generating, then it will then I am a human, click on and click, and if you cannot submit button, it will come in some time. So click on I am a human, and then get link. Yeah, it's very long process, but you are getting free, so it will show some ads, it like ads. Then come here on free download, and then I will have to wait 14 minutes 12 seconds because I have downloaded many files. I was trying this many times, so it works or not, so it is saying this, and you can download it in 1 second, and every 60 minutes you can download, like so. In it will take me 13 minutes. I will just leave it. So that was it for this video. Like and subscribe, and you can easily download this. So like, if you want to see that I downloaded APR player or not, see, there is ARP, then APR player, and this has the scene also of APR player. Those who have, they will know this one. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the another video.